That series, Coercive Care, looks at pregnancy complications from sickle cell disease and patients who felt pressured to have an unwanted tubal ligation. Vaccine scare tactics haven't shifted, but more parents are falling for them. Here's what the rhetoric gets wrong and how it endangers children. For Women's Health Months, 3 mothers at 3 different stages of life shared how they are defying age through simple lifestyle practices and interventions. Global HIVs, viral hepatitis epidemics, and sexually transmitted infections, STIs, continue to pose significant public health challenges, causing 2.5 million deaths each year, according to a new WHO report, AHOREF HTTPS Geniris.WHO. Stress can impact how your skin looks and feels, dermatologists say. Here's how, and what you can do about it. Some millennials are experiencing the first symptoms of the menopausal transition coons, and they want to talk about it. Greek yogurt versus non-Greek yogurt. The great debate regarding which type of yogurt is better for your health is addressed as nutrition experts share insights about the foods. The World Health Organization recently authorized a second dengue vaccine. The move could protect millions of people worldwide against the mosquito-borne disease. Although the woman lived in Ohio, authorities say she may have interacted with individuals spanning multiple states, including Florida, and extending up the East Coast. Researchers from the University of Arizona College of Medicine, Tucson, suggest that hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may improve pulmonary hypertension in females. Scientists believe the hormone estrogen may play an important role in the condition. Some tests have been found to be used far too often at little benefit. Oxford University has discovered proteins in the blood that could warn people of cancer more than 7 years earlier than currently possible. Many patients who died after traumatic brain injuries may have survived and recovered if their families had waited to take them off life support, a new study found. Researchers said patients with a specific genetic profile are most likely to benefit from the expensive medication. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration said on Monday that it tested retail samples of milk and other dairy products in 17 states for viable bird flu virus yeast, providing further details about the locations of the previously disclosed tests. The American Academy of Pediatrics has announced a policy shift, saying that those with HIV who are effectively managing the virus with medication can breastfeed their babies. New research reveals that our brains experience rapid transformation in our 40s and 50s, impacting memory and cognitive function. These changes could be key to predicting and improving future brain health. Getting 10,000 steps a day started as a marketing ploy. So is it really something to aim for? Both the patients claimed that plant-based diet and regular exercise played a key role in them getting rid of Alzheimer's. It's the cycle of life. Lifelong bicyclers may live longer, have stronger immune systems, and are less likely to experience knee pain or osteoarthritis than people who don't ride bikes. This isn't normal, right? Do experts expect COVID to surge this summer with new variants? What is flirt in COVID? Will old vaccine protect against COVID? Read more? An unexpected idea gains traction and may provide clues about long COVID. The Lexington Fayette County Health Department has declared pertussis, or whooping cough, in outbreak status. Just 10 minutes a day to boost your well-being. When a stroke hits, time is brain, doctors say, with neurons beginning to die off in minutes. Quickly figuring out which type of stroke a patient has been hit with is crucial. Now, an experimental blood test might speed that process along. It's unclear whether the presence of plastic could explain a global decline in sperm counts. A new study finds that altered states of consciousness, ASCs, like those experienced during meditation, are more common than previously thought. 45% of respondents reported experiencing ASCs at least once, often leading to positive outcomes. If the effects don't fade too rapidly, new data suggests regular COVID-19 vaccinations could strengthen our immune systems against future variants and even related viruses. As many as 426,000 people in the U.S. contract Lyme disease each year, according to the CDC. For most people, symptoms go away after 2 to 4 weeks of antibiotics. But 5 to 10% of patients have debilitating long-term symptoms. Powerful animal sedative, likely cause of overdose spike in Chicago. For a vaccine to work, it has to raise antibodies in the immunized, antibodies that are primed to neutralize subsequent intruders. More than 40 people suffering from paralysis from the neck down regained partial control of their arms and hands thanks to a relatively simple-to-use devices, a large study said Monday.